Example number 1.3. How much positive and negative charge is there in a cup of water? First, we will see 1 cup of water equal to nearly 250 cc. Density equal to mass by volume. Density in CGS value is 1 gram per cc. Therefore, 250 cc mass is equal to 250 grams. Number of moles of water. Molecular mass of water is 18 grams, that is H2O. 2 hydrogen and 16 oxygen. Total 18 grams per mole. Now, given mass is 250 gram. How many moles are there in 250 grams? Number of moles equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. So that you are getting 13.9 moles. Next, how many molecules are there in 13.9 moles? Number of molecules equal to number of moles multiplied with Avogadro number. That is 13.9 multiplied with 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Therefore, total number of molecules is 8.36 into 10 to the power 24. Now, we will find out total charges. Let us take water molecule H2O, 2 hydrogen atom. In each atom, 1 proton. So, 2 protons. Then oxygen, 8 protons. Total H2O, that is total 10 protons are there. 10 protons means there are 10 electrons. Now, we'll see total charges. Positive charge equal to 10 into number of molecules. 8.36 into 10 to the power 24. So, 8.36 into 10 to the power 25 charges are there. This is the number of positive charges. Number of positive charges equal to number of negative charges. So, same amount of negative charges also there. Next is, what is the total charge? Charge on one proton or electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Total charge, total number of proton is this much. What is the total charge? Number of proton multiplied by charge on each proton. This gives total positive charges. Same amount of negative charge is also there. So the total charge equal to 1.36 into 10 to the power 7 coulombs.